beautiful summer day. There is a car show down on Scarce Street, and we're gonna show you all the nice motorcycles and British cars. And we've done this before, and today will be a wonderful turnout because it's so friggin' hot. It's like 30, 35, 36 degrees Celsius. You just gotta love it. Hot weather, hot cars, cold beer. Life can't get any better. Hooah! Look at that. Oh my God, look at these cars here, and the Triumph motorcycles. This is sweet. A Beamer. Look at this, nice. Oh, look at this. Nice Triumph, Bonneville. Nice looking bike, and a adventure bike. If you ever want to go get some good food, that's the place to go. Jaguar, a car like James Bond would drive. Look how beautiful that paint is. Wow, that's a good looking car. 1973 it says. And an MG. $1959 says on the. This is nice. Perfect day for one of these. Alfa Romeo. That's beautiful. Look at the wood steering wheel. We've seen this one last year. They're all so nice and shiny. Oh, it's a Spider. What is this? An MG. Right hand drive. Isn't that sweet? Oh man, look at this. Very nice. Yeah. Jaguar 1997. That's a midget. MG midget. Look at this. What do we have here? Austin Healey. Oh my God. This is for sure a James Bond car. 1965. Great year. This photographer was built in 65. Born in 65, I guess. Just look how small the hood is. And if the hood was popped, how big would the engine be? Makes me wonder. Oh wow, check this out. Check this out. This is what you see in those old 1930s horror movies. You know, the doctor always drives one of these. That is so cool. A Morgan. Beautiful color. Look at the little... I don't know, is that the signal lights or those ones? Those ones must be. Huh. Triumph.
I have, like with the projects that I got, came with.
That's one thing you don't see anymore these days is the pop-up headlights. Those are so sweet. $64. This is a beautiful red. Important. This vehicle is wired negative to earth. Look how clean that is. $1962. I love those spoke wheels. That is hot. That is major hot. Let's go over here. Another Morgan. That is beautiful. A Jag. Oh my. Beautiful green. Wow.
It's like a upscale
Oh, check this out. It may be for sale this fall. But not on a day like today. It's too nice of a day to sell a car like that. Look at this beautiful black Jaguar, 1953. Oh wow. Check the headlights. And you know what? Oh, okay. Look at the hood. That is the hood. That's one big ass long hood. Check that rear view mirror out too, eh? This, your Woody wagon. Oh, must have been to the park. Go modern, go mini traveling. Isn't that sweet? Check this one. This is an even smaller one. Wood grain dashboard. Oh my God, that's beautiful. You see the minis? They got minis here. That's really nice.
It is. I just can't picture getting out of it once you got into it, though.
Yeah.
Fall out of it.
Yeah. Help. Yes. Oh wow, check this little engine out. That's a 4-banger. 1975. Oh, nice puppy. Yeah, go have a drink of water. My God, another Jag. Beautiful. Supercharged. 2008. Is that an awesome looking interior? Oh my God. Okay, this Kia car should get towed. It's not a British car, is it?
Yeah, they always do that with me once in a while. Oh, good.
Oh, beautiful blue. 1973. This one comes with coffee maker. I think this one comes over here with a Coca-Cola cooler. And this one comes 66 with luggage. This is a comes with the luggage suitcase. That's the word I'm thinking of. Beautiful spokes.
Great job.
That's a beautiful color. Jaguar knockoffs. Look at that. There's the battery right there. XKE 1970. Wooden steering wheel.
Do you think that's always been there, or they just put it on there?
I would say it's factory. I don't know. don't know much about Jags. You know, the British, the royalty people drive them. Another Jag. This must be the Jag section. Another wooden steering wheel. Shorty's barber shop. Must be doing a lot of haircuts to have a car like this, eh? Nice. Oh, here you go. Here, this one's for sale. 28,000. Jim's toy. Oh, nice little one. Alright. Well, that is... I would love to drive a Triumph. I've never had a Triumph. Only Harleys and Hondas, Suzukis and a Cowie. And they're all wonderful bikes. And that would probably be another wonderful bike to drive too. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and comment. Oh, like and subscribe. Leave a comment. And get out there and enjoy the nice weather. And the beautiful cars. And the beautiful weather. And there's no mosquitoes today, so it's a great day. Okay. Thank you. Bye for now.